Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today I've got a really cool install. I'm really excited about it. Since I had my exhaust installed, I actually had one of the tips missing. Because of that, it kind of melted this little spot where the tabs connect for the diffuser, and then it also melted part of the diffuser. So I had to cut it, and it was a big mess. So I kind of had to order a new one. So today we're going to be installing an ECS tuning carbon rear diffuser. Really excited about it. The quality looks really good. All the tabs for screwing in look in place, and the clips look nice, and the gloss finish is like absolutely terrific. Check it out. What do you think?
Shiny.
So to go over how this kind of connects in, there's a bunch of little slots along the bumper here where tabs go in and they clip in, and then that's how you remove the stock diffuser, as well as there are 3 little like screws that kind of just go into where the spare tire is, and then that's basically it. It just clips right in. Shouldn't take too long. You know, it might be easier to remove the exhaust tips first. Now, should be able to kind of align it. Goes. Alright, make sure that this side's in. There it goes. All right, and that's it. There it goes. All right, make sure that this side's in. There it goes. All right, and that's it. Well, it doesn't really want to fit right where it melted. Alright, well, let's tighten up the bottom. And a big thing with those 3 little screws is you don't want to tighten them too much because it's carbon. If it gets enough stress at a wrong angle, it will crack and it will just snap right off. Right. So for this part, I might have to have a hole drilled through my bumper from the back side, and might have to put a screw and a bolt up under there just to kind of secure it, because it wants to fall out of that spot right there. This side, the exhaust tips are starting to come together. It's just kind of hard to make sure they're all lined up right. All right, how does that look? I think I'll probably realign them and I'll bring them out a lot more later on. I'm gonna go ahead and test drive it after I get that side on and make sure everything kind of acts right, up to speed. Much better. You can kind of see that there's a little gap here, and it just kind of needs to go up a little bit. But I like how the exhaust tips fit. I think it looks really good. Kind of nice contrast from the dark silver, light gray, whatever you want to call color my car is. But it looks good. And yeah. Take it around the block, see how it fits. Go show it off to Alex. And I will see you guys in a little bit. I beat you.
Literally know where to park now.
Right there. Make a spot. All right, so I drove probably like 10 miles and it's kind of coming off. I don't know. Honestly, if it flies off, it flies off. What do we think, guys?
What? No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck off. That's what I want.
Bye. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I just kind of wanted to get that diffuser on. Hello. Alright, let's continue on our way. Whoa, that's a nice Corvette. As I was saying, I just wanted to get the diffuser on. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos today, and then I have to head off to work. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of just installing the diffuser, and I will see you guys in the next one.